Hey everyone, this is Alex Carneiro with Team Optimum, and this week we're going to talk about one of my favorite supplements, creatine. So let's be honest, creatine is the ultimate bodybuilding supplement. Even if you're not a bodybuilder and you're just starting your fitness journey, you will benefit from taking creatine. Taking creatine right before your workout can increase your strength, your power, and help you break through those plateaus. You can also take it post-workout for muscle recovery and growth. Personally, I like adding 3 to 5 grams of creatine right before my workout. This ensures that I get better power and strength throughout my entire training. And right after my workout, I take an additional 2 to 5 grams to ensure muscle recovery. It goes without saying, creatine is an essential part of my supplement stack. So make sure to pick up Optimum's creatine right here at Bodybuilding.com.